Welcome to the Explainer. We're looking at what you'll really pay for a steel carport in Pretoria in 2026.
So you're thinking about a carport to protect your car? Smart move. But what's the actual cost?
All right, let's get straight to the numbers so you can actually budget for this thing.
Okay, here's the price guide. But why such big ranges? Let's break down what drives that cost.
Right. So what exactly are you paying for when you get that quote? Let's peel back the layers.
First up, how it stands, freestanding or wall-mounted. This choice really changes the price. And look at this, just the posts and foundations can be a massive slice of the total bill.
Next, let's talk about what's overhead. The roof. This is a big one for cost and how long it lasts.
Your standard choice is IBR. It's the cost-effective option that you'll see on most carports. Then you've got chromadek. It's the upgrade. Pricier, yeah, but it looks better and lasts way longer.
So how much more are we talking? Choosing chromadek can add up to 35% to your roofing cost.
But here's the thing. This isn't just any carport. It's a Pretoria carport, and that matters.
You've got to deal with serious hail, that tricky clay soil, and of course, local building rules.
And this is key. Going cheap on the roof now often means paying for hail damage later.
So, ask your installer, does this quote account for my property, or is it just a generic price?
Okay, so with all that in mind, how does steel actually stack up against other options?
Steel gives you total protection for decades. Shadenet is cheaper, but won't stop hail.
The bottom line? A steel carport is a real investment in your property. It's built to last.
Ultimately, it's about this. With Pretoria's hail season every year, what's that peace of mind worth to you?